Imagine there's a leak in your kitchen. You report it. A week later, it's still leaking. So you call again. And that's the landlord phone trap. Today, I want to talk about something that almost every tenant does when something goes wrong. Picking up the phone. When you call your housing association or council, you probably know how it goes. You get put on hold, pass from one person to another, and eventually speak to someone who can't actually fix the problem. They make a note, maybe, and tell you someone will be in touch. And then nothing happens. Hours can be wasted, and at the end of it, you have nothing to show for it. If you ever need to escalate your complaint to the Housing Ombudsman, you'll need a clear time frame of everything you've reported. Phone calls don't give you that. The call may have been logged differently. The person you spoke to may no longer work there. There may be no clear record of what was actually discussed. No record, no evidence, no proof of what was said. That's why this matters. And you have no way of proving otherwise. So, what should you do instead? Put things in writing. Email is ideal, it's quick, it's free, and it's automatically time-stamped. If you've already been making phone calls, don't worry, just start today. Send one email summarising the problem, what you've reported, and when you reported it. Then keep a simple log of every contact, the date, the method, who you spoke to, and what was promised. That log becomes evidence. And evidence can make a real difference. I've put together a free phone log and evidence sheet. You'll find the link below. The moment you switch from calling to writing, things start to change. You're no longer relying on phone conversations that can't easily be verified. You're creating a paper trail. And you're building a case.